In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on YouTube when it's showing the wrong language. Maybe your YouTube suddenly switched to a language you don't understand, or you're using a shared computer and someone else changed the settings. Whatever the reason, fixing this is simple once you know where to look, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open YouTube in your web browser, and make sure you're on the home page. It doesn't matter whether you're signed in or not, because the language setting is available either way. Take a moment to look at the YouTube interface, the sidebar, the top right corner, and the bottom of the page. Where we go next depends a little on which version of YouTube you're seeing, but the general idea is always the same. We're looking for the language menu. Let's start with the desktop version. Move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen. If you're signed in, click on your profile picture. If you're not signed in, click on the circular icon where the profile picture would normally appear. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. In that menu, look for the language option. Even if the current language is unfamiliar, you can usually recognize this option because it will either be labeled with a language name, like English, or you'll see a small globe icon next to it. Click that language entry to open the full list of available languages. Now you'll see a long list of languages YouTube supports. Scroll through until you find the language you want to use. The names are usually written in their own script, so even if the rest of the interface looks confusing, you can still spot your language by how it's written. Click your preferred language, and YouTube will automatically refresh and switch the interface to that language. If you're on a mobile browser, the process is very similar. Tap the three horizontal lines or your profile icon in the top right corner. Look for the language option with the globe icon or language name. Tap it, then choose your preferred language from the list. After changing the language, check the home page, the sidebar, and the settings menu to make sure everything now appears in the language you selected. If it doesn't update right away, try refreshing the page or closing and reopening your browser. That's all you need to do to fix the wrong language on YouTube and set it to the one you actually want.